Hello my crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're staying spooky and crafty as well. And if you're new, hello, I'm Karina. I love to paper craft and also to organize my crafty supplies. So if you want to keep on watching, just don't forget to click the subscribe button and to tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thank you very much for your support. And in today's video, I participated in a group swap called Halloween Flower Swap, hosted by the lovely Brittany Pochick in Instagram. So we were required to make 3 sets of flowers, Halloween theme. The first set was made of paper, the other one fabric, and the third one any material. So let's go ahead and flip the camera so you can watch what I sent out. Hello my crafty friends. Here I am with the swap that I'm getting ready to mail out. This was a group swap hosted by Brittany Pochick in Instagram, and it's called Halloween Flower Swap. So this is what I packaged, and I am going to show you what I put together, the flowers, what materials I use, and then we're going to package my last entry, which is going to be for the host. So let's first check what materials I used. So for the flowers, I used Heartfelt Creations. Yeah, don't look at the price, but I bought these flowers, I would say 3 years ago, and I never used them. So hey, this was a great way to use it in a flower swap. So I used these. I also used the Prima Marketing 31. I use stickles, I use orange foam, felt, and also I use the Halloween party. So I'm just so happy that I'm just like trying to empty these, because my goal is for this year, if I don't use anything in Halloween stuff, I'm just gonna get rid of. I'm not gonna be hoarding that many supplies. So in addition to that, I also use these. This was from Michael's Baker's Twine, and look at that. I'm so happy. It used to be like so thick and fat. So let's go ahead and review the flowers. So I use this cotton candy. So as you can see, my theme is cotton candy, Halloween cotton candy. So I watched several YouTube videos, and yeah, it's just not perfect. Here's the felt, and I put together these kind of like a rosette, and I had these buttons that I collected, and that is one set of flower. That was the fabric one that we were required. And then paper flowers, as you can see, I used the Prima 31 and some of the brats. And then my last set of flowers were supposed to be in a different material. So the different material of these flowers, I'm going to open this up, was foam. Yeah, foam. You see that? It's foam. And then this is kind of like a glassine paper, and I used the Baker twine. It looks like a tarantula, but and then the stickles. So yeah, so this was my specialty last set of flowers. And now also Brit let us know to package things, you know, in a kind of like nice way. So I stitch almost like a sleeve using that collection from called Halloween paper from DCWV. Yeah, I got that at Joann's Fabric. So, and what I am going to do is just stick this set of flowers here. Then I have a pocket. I created a pocket. I will put the foamy ones in here. And then I had this bag that I bought at Container Store because I don't have a dollar store or a Daiso in my area. So, and I am going to, it's just super simple to do that. I am going to also seal these section. Okay, all right, there we go. So then I am going to use, this is not like a regular bag topper. This is just like a simple, easy handmade bag topper. I used black cardstock. I didn't use dyes or anything like that. What I used was, and I'm going to, this fabric, the whole version of it is just to be defrayed and kind of like crazy and funky. So I ruffle it. I had this Halloween fabric that I got at one of my fabric local stores that unfortunately they closed. So, and then what I do is just place it in here. Use the baker's twine, super easy, so it won't move. So let me show you the other tags. This is another one. This is a ghosty. Another ghosty with lace. And this one I definitely have to wrap it with double baker's twine, and this is the candy. So yeah. So this is how I wrap the swap. And if you like this video, just don't forget to give the thumbs up, share this video with any of your friends and family, and if you haven't done so and would like to be subscribed, please do so by clicking the button and tap that bell so you can get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks very much for your support, and stay spooky and crafty, my friends. See you on my next video. Bye.